Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
भोगले टावर मुझे ఇంకా दुर्गा ఏందకునా किते साडे साडे काय ना आणि आम जाण आम किते एकटलो सवला आक्याका लहान भुरगी हाय आणि किते
It's a crime. You know the effect on the people here. Just now my friend have told it leads to cancer.
स्टाफ ऑर्डर दिल तेका आमी आनी MLA को आमी आतां आज धाडला एक दीस लेट जालें पूण धाडला आमी तेका टावर जाय पूण मातशें लोक ना थिंग घालपाक जाय मातशें पयस घालपाक जाय न्हू पुलीस आमी ऑलरेडी आमकां एक कंप्लेन दिली आमी स्टॉप नोटीस धाडला आमी तेकाय कळयला पंचायत लेवल आमी कांयच दिल ना तेका
चर्चिला बोली गेले त्या तेणें सांगलेलें तुमकां जाग आहा हांवें म्हणलें हांवें तेंका जाग दिलो एक कडेन होन दाखयलो तेगे चर्चिलागे चेड्या होन दाखयलो तेम लोकेशन हें केलें आनी बरो आहा म्हणून लिंक कोणा लागपा ना खरें म्हळ्यार थिंग कांय ना बांदार तो
Here, I stay with my family. Okay. If they have a problem, I also stay with some other signatories, 20 signature household over there. They also families, children. I have also gone through books and something. They have told me there's a low range tower and something like that. So I said, okay, fine, go ahead. Now after this, these people don't have anything. I told them even if they bring anything, one letter from the doctor saying that it will be harmful, I'll request these people, Jio. But I don't have anything. They're just saying stop. And where are the towers normally put up? I think normally at the side of the road only.